Okay, Renee is going to fly the drone. And here we go. Here we go with another drone experience with Renee.
Droning with Renee.
Droning with Renee. It's a little windy. I mean, I'm talking to you. Oh, are we here? Hey! Hey, wherever you are. You're way back behind. Oh, you know what's waving? It's my arm fat. Okay. That's what was waving. Dawn, would you like to explain the high to everybody? What is that? You don't.
When you wave.
Okay. And that flaps like a bat.
I,
Jane.
the girl.
Jane. Okay. Very. Okay. Thank you, Dawn, for that.
I know there's more names.
That's the one you can say on camera.
Bat wings.
Bat wings. I hear it. I hear it.
Right, almost right up the
Yeah.
And we're something.
I know, look at us. Trying to get these obscenely white legs. Any other color but white. Oh, right there in front. Right in front of you. Come on over here. Come on over. Oh, mine isn't Jenny.
Oh, what is yours? Oh, honey. Yours is honey.
Honey. Oh, honey. That's right. Or, yay. Come on over here, honey. There we go. Yeah, come see Mama. That's what I say. Does she want to land? Oh.
Have a nice day.
Yay.